Question 3, Part A. John kept files in one bag and 2 containers. The bag had an n files and each container had 5 more files than the bag. How many more files were there in the 2 containers than in the bag? Give your answer in terms of n in the simplest form. So John kept files in one bag and 2 containers. So one bag has how many files? N files. And then it says here, each container had 5 more files than the bag. So that means for this statement, it says one container has 5 plus more files than one bag. And how many files are in one bag? It is equal to 5 plus n files. Okay, so from the statement, we have 2 containers. So that means 2 containers will be equal to 2 times 5 plus n, but in the brackets, which means it is 2 times 5 plus 2 times n, which will be 10 plus 2n. So how many more files were there in the containers, 2 containers, than in one bag? So that means the difference with 2 containers and one bag will be 2 plus bracket 2n. That's 2 container minus n file. So minus n. This would then be equal to 10 plus n. So or n plus 10. Doesn't really matter. So the answer is 10 plus n in this case. Question 3, Part B. There were 23 more files in the 2 containers than in the bag. Find the value of n. So what does the statement say over here? What does it mean? So this means that the difference between 2 container and one bag is equal to 23. So that means 23 is equal to 10 plus n. Or in this case, 10 plus n equal to 23. So if we were to minus 10 on each side of the equation, that means n will then be equal to 13. So the answer to this question is 13. There you go.